This thing keeps shutting off on me. Oh, I'm measuring my width is not cooperating. 15 1/8. Let's go with that. I enter it up in the next box up. 15.125, I know is 1/8. No, 15, 16, 17 is where it should be. 125. Thickness, I know it is 1 inch thick. I'm gonna go in inches, click OK. And my box has changed, as you see. So the lines that I have there, I have to change them too. So I messed up. The box should actually be the measurements that I measured. So it should be 15 1/8. And the other one should be 14 5/8. I've corrected those. Right. Gonna work in inches. Okay. The box is a little smaller, but the lines, like I told you, I have to adjust them. Okay. Interesting. Width, right and left. 14, no. No, I gotta go back, I can't remember. Okay. Width was 15 1/8. So let me do that on the lines. Width 15 1/8. 15, 16, 17.125. Because I got to allow for that 1 inch bit to get past. And I'll go down to the other one. And I'm going to go back to see what my other measurement was. It was 14, so it should be 14, 15, 16, 628, 625. 16625. $16.625. Okay, see, I'm drawing it out here. You can't quite see it. No, don't do that. See, I'm drawing it out there. Now I got to move that line around that box. Switch those boxes inside, 2 different size. Set it 1/4 inch, so I'm going to go to 1/2 inch. Now I'll move this. Got to click on the moving thing, icon. I'm going to move this box up. Go with done and look at that. That's, considering what I do, I'm going to move it a little bit more this way. Okay. I want to go back to the size of that. Width. 17 and an 8. Gotta make sure. This should be 15. More of this, yeah, 15 and an 1/8. Now the other direction is 14 and 5/8. Make sure I got it right. So add in it 2 inches, 14, 15, 16. And the width, oh. I think I got that all wrong. I got them backwards. Lift it, because in the other thing it's left, it's different. They like reversing here. And I have stupid pop-ups coming up. And the other one was 17 1/4. Done. Oh, that looks better. I just